Rhonda Schaefer here, hailing from Fairport, New York. Welcome. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe at the end of this video, and click on the notification bell so you don't miss a beat when I go live. Today I will be talking about cultivating a mental attitude that will bring you peace and happiness. Compliments of Dale Carnegie. 1. Fill your mind with thoughts of peace, courage, health, and hope. 2. Never try to get even with your enemies. 3. Expect ingratitude. 4. Count your blessings, not your troubles. 5. Do not imitate others. Be your authentic self. 6. Try to profit from your losses. There's always something to gain. And 7. Create happiness for others. With that said, this is Rhonda Schaefer hailing from Fairport, New York, and thank you for watching this video. Be sure to comment and subscribe below for more instruction and inspiration.